Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. No, but welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little bit different. It's a clean with me, as you can tell by the title of the video. Duh. I watch clean with me videos sometimes, so I figured, hey, why not make one? So here I am making one. So at the beginning here, I'm just showing everything before we get down to business. And I had recently just got back from a trip. I went back home to Wisconsin to visit. This was a while ago. I'm just not editing this because I'm lazy. So let's go clean my old little studio apartment. So we're starting off in the bed area, I guess. I noticed those little red dots on the camera. I don't know what that is, but maybe it's just my camera's getting old. I need to upgrade it anyway. But yeah, starting off in the bedroom area. I'll try not to talk too much because I know when I watch these type of videos, I like to kind of enjoy it. But I'll be telling you what I'm doing and telling you where I got certain items, I guess. So here I am filling up my diffuser, which I overfilled, as you can see by my face. And then I put a couple of drops of essential oils. I forgot which one I used. So I started off by making my bed, and the bed set is actually from Target. Well, the comforter set. I got it for Christmas because I sliced my old one open on accident while I was wrapping gifts because I'm an idiot. So now we're moving on to the entertainment area where my TV, I have my Xbox and stuff like that. I put my Switch in the case because I had it on the trip with me, so I just threw it back in there because I didn't feel like hooking it up. So this area here is my console table, and I have my dog's ashes and his little paw prints, a candle, I have my air purifier and my humidifier. The table I got from Amazon. I don't remember the name, but if someone wants to know, I can link it. The candle is from Bath & Body Works. I have so many, I'm like an addict. And also I'm using Lysol and Clorox wipes for the most part for the cleaning. And here we are in the living room area. I mean, it's one big living room, but this is the living room area, I guess. So now we are moving on to the laundry. Earlier that day I washed and dried laundry, or did laundry, folding the laundry. And of course, laundry wouldn't be laundry if you didn't have a sock missing its pair. And here I almost tripped and died, but I keep these storage bins in my closet for like underwear, and on the other side there's like toiletries and like for like face wash and stuff like that. So I keep everything kind of color coordinated, not really, but kind of. And I also keep them like a finger widths apart because I'm weird and kind of OCD-ish. Now we are doing the pants. Also up top, I keep all of my like shorts that I wear just lounging around, and also keep my towels and some other miscellaneous things that I have no room for because I'm in the studio. So, like I said earlier, I did just recently come back from a trip. So I'm just unpacking my book bag and my suitcase, which I need to take to the storage because I don't have anywhere to put it. That winter hat probably won't get used for a long time unless I go back to Wisconsin or like up to Flagstaff, somewhere cold, you know. So now we are in my little gaming slash study slash office slash dining area. I eat here, I play the game here. I sit here like most of the day because I have no life. It gets a little messy in this area. Also, if you notice above my keyboard, there's like a layer of dust. It's always so dusty in my apartment and I don't know why. I cannot figure it out. And whenever I clean this area, I like to clean my chair as well. Like I said, I am here a lot in this area, so I just try to keep it clean and sanitary as much as I can. And if you follow me this way, we'll be heading over to the bathroom area. And as you can see, it is a mess per usual. And I realized that I probably spent way too much time cleaning that sink, but hey, you want a clean sink, right? Gotta clean it. Plus, I'm too lazy to edit it down, so you'll be all right. So the soap I got from Bath and Body Works and the sign I got from Ross, I actually switched it out with a plant. So here I am removing my 20 body washes so I can clean the tub. And I couldn't really show the whole thing because it's so small in there and my camera's on a tripod, so couldn't really fit. So when people visit, they always ask about my shower curtain. I actually got it from Amazon. It was about 15 bucks. For the toilet, I am using a bleach gel and then I'm using Lysol wipes to wipe everything down. Now we move on to the gourmet kitchen. So here I am cleaning my sink, and I'm using a little trick that I found online a while ago. It's baking soda and peroxide. It actually helps a lot with staining and stuff. I could have gotten it better, but I just did it quick for the sake of time and for the sake of the video. It works a lot better if you let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, but like I said, I just wanted to do it really quick. And yeah, if you have white sinks, this really helps a lot. So I'm cleaning my stove top, even though you can't see, because apparently I thought my camera could just see right through me. And now we do our sweeping. So that mess above the dustpan is actually plant soil, and I was replanting plants, which I had no idea what I was doing, by the way. So it is now moppy moppy time, and I usually use Fabuloso for the cleaning water mop solution stuff. So I forgot to show this area. I have a picture frame that I need to put a picture in, but it's above the console table. So, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you for watching my little studio cleaning video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully.